I'm going to discuss the allowable strength design or working stress method of designing a reinforced concrete one-way slab based on eStructural Design Taichi found on the App Store. The input parameters required for us to design a one-way slab are as follows. Name of slab like S1, S2, length of span, slab thickness, size and grade of main bars and temperature bars, the strength of concrete used, and design loads which includes dead loads and live load. Given the specified compressive strength of concrete and the stress of steel reinforcement, we can get the values of balanced section properties of our reinforced concrete design like N, the modular ratio of elasticity, K, the distance of extreme compression fiber to neutral axis expressed as fraction of the effective depth, J, the length of internal moment arm expressed as fraction of the effective depth, and R, the factor for resisting moment in concrete. Get the total uniform load expressed as 1 foot strip by summing up the following. Self-weight of slab equals to assumed thickness multiplied by 12.5, live load from minimum occupancy load guide, floor finish, and partition, if any. Based on the input parameters, balance section properties, and the total design load, we can now solve for M, the flexural strength or bending moment, D, the effective depth of the slab section, and T, the slab thickness. After getting the moment and the slab thickness, we can now solve for the area of steel reinforcement required and its equivalent bar spacing for our main bars. Continue to solve for the area of steel and bar spacing for the temperature bars. And finally, we test for shear and bond stress by solving shear force and shear stress, where the design shear stress should be less than the shear stress capacity of concrete, and the design bond stress should be less than the bond stress capacity of concrete. These are the two layouts used for our design results. One is for bent bars and the other is for straight bars. Both uses the same format as follow. Design criteria, length of span, thickness of slab, main bars, and temperature bars. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.